In this demonstration, I'll show how Claude and UiPath can rapidly transform a business requirement into a working automation using natural language. The use case focuses on automating a loan eligibility validation process. Instead of manually reviewing customer records, the automation reads loan details from an Excel file, evaluates the defined business rules, and updates the eligibility status automatically. Let's closely watch and understand how Claude creates UiPath workflow for the business requirement. Now this has eliminated the need of manual workflow creation or extensive development. Once the workflow is generated, we can see that robot processes the data, applies the business logic, logs each transaction, and writes the final results back to the Excel file. This demonstrates how AI-powered development can significantly accelerate automation delivery. By combining Claude's natural language capabilities with UiPath's automation platform, developers can reduce development effort, shorten delivery timelines, and focus more on business value than on building workflows from scratch.